Hello Year 4, this is your Thursday's maths lesson. Our TLP for today is Can I Solve Division Word Problems? So we're going to have a go at doing some word problems together, and at the end of this video there is a challenge for you to write your own division and multiplication word problems and send them in to us for the rest of Year 4 to solve, so don't miss that. So for today we are all going to need our rucksacks. Don't forget to refer back to this when you are solving your own problems. Okay, so we're going to have a go at doing some of the word problems together. If you're feeling really super confident, you can just whiz past this part of the video and go straight to the questions. But if you're planning to do the super challenge, I suggest that you watch me modelling one of the super challenge questions because I think it will be very helpful for you. So we're going to start with this green question. The first step on our rucksack is to read the question. So, a pizza is cut into 6 pieces. You want to share the pizza with your friend. How many pieces would you both have? Use the picture to help you. Right, now we need to understand the question. So what is our key information here? Yeah, I think so. A pizza is cut into 6 pieces. And you want to share the pizza with your friend. How many pieces would you both have? So there's 2 people and 6 pieces of pizza. How many would we have each? So now we need to choose how we're going to solve it. Well, I've drawn a pizza here cut into 6 pieces, so let's just have a go at dividing them up. So I'm going to choose 1 for me, and then 1 for my friend. I'm going to write an F in there for my friend. And 1 for me, and 1 for my friend, and 1 for me, and 1 for my friend. So now we're going to solve it. So how many pieces have we got? So my friend has 1, 2, 3, and I have 1, 2, 3. So what is our answer? Our number sentence was 6 divided by 2 because we have 6 pieces of pizza divided into 2 people. And how many pieces did we get each? 3 pieces each. Good job. And to check it, we can always do the inverse. So we could do 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, this one will help you if you're doing orange or red because they're quite similar. So first of all, we're going to read the question. So there are 75 monkeys in a zoo. Each cage can house 3 monkeys. How many monkey cages does the zoo need? So let's understand the question. Let's make sure we understand it and highlight some key information. So what's key in this question? Yep, there are 75 monkeys. Each cage can house 3 monkeys, so we can have 3 monkeys per cage. How many cages do we need? So if each cage can house 3 monkeys, we need to know how many 3s are in 75. So our number sentence, our question that we're trying to work out, would be 75 divided by 3. So, how are we going to do this? We need to choose how to do this. You might have a different way, but I'm going to use sticks and dots. So I'm going to draw my 7 sticks that represents 70, 7, and my 5 dots, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we need 3 circles. And we need to work out how many monkeys are going to be in each circle. So we'll put 10 in there, like we did in the video yesterday, crossing them off as we go. Oh dear, I've got 10 here that I can't put in as a stick. So I'm going to exchange it for 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 15 dots which I can divide more easily into my 3 circles. So now that I've divided up my 75 into 3, let's see how many we've got in each circle. So we've got 10, 20, 5. So there are 25 threes in 75. Therefore, we need 25 cages to house all of our 75 monkeys. And the final part of our rucksack is to check our answer. So let's do the inverse. So 3 times 25. We could use the grid method to check our inverse, but I think we can work out 3 times 25. What do you think, Year 4? So 25 and 25 is 50, and another 25 is 75. This is one of the super challenge questions. These are very tricky, so if you're having a go, well done and just do your best. So the reason they're super challenges is because the questions ask you to explain your answer. Okay, so we'll get to that bit in a minute. But first of all, we need to read our question. So there are 3 nuts in each bag. I need 35 nuts for my invention. How many bags do I need to buy? So let's understand the question. Let's highlight some key points. So there are 3 nuts in each bag, and I need 35 nuts for my invention. How many bags do I need? So I want to know how many bags of 3 nuts do I need to get 35 nuts. So I need to know how many lots of 3 go into 35. So let's choose our method. So let's do 35. Oh, my pen's running out. 35 divided by 3. Okay, so we need 3 circles. If you're doing this along with me, well done. We've got 3 sticks of 10 and 5 dots for our units. Okay, 3 sticks of 10 and 5 dots. So let's divide them up. So 1, 2, 3 tens. Cross them off. 1, 2, 3. Now I've got 2 left over here that we can't now divide into 3. So what we need to do is see how many bags so far have we got. 10, 11. So far we need 11 bags, but then we've got 2 left over. So what we will actually need is 12 bags. Yeah, because 35 divided by 3 is 11 with 2 left over. So now we need to explain our answer. Yeah, so we could write something like this. 3 goes into 35 11 times with 2 left over. So I need 12 bags of nuts. 11 full bags and 2 nuts from the 12th bag. So if you're doing the super challenge questions, you need to solve the question, okay, find your answer, and then give your reasons for it. So have a go, guys. Remember, you can always ask us any questions in the Zooms. We would love you to have a go at writing your own multiplication and division word problems. So it can be either multiplication or division or both if you're feeling really confident. And then it would be great if you sent them in on the parent mail so we can put them into a Year 4 video and then all your classmates can have a go at them. But make sure you've written down the answer so that we can all check them. If you would like to have a go but you're not sure how to get started, you could pause the video here and use this sentence structure. So all you need to do is fill in the blanks with numbers like I've done here. So I've added in a 4 and a 2. So John has 4 strawberries and a box holds 2 strawberries. How many boxes does he need for his strawberries? And once you've added in your numbers, you need to check that it works. So here I've got my 4 strawberries and I'm going to divide them into the boxes. So I've got 1 box of 2 and 2 boxes of 2. So my number sentence would be 4 strawberries divided by 2, because we've got 2 strawberries in each box, equals 2 boxes. You could fill the sentence in with any number you like, but remember to make sure that it works. You could also replace the words if you wanted to make it your own. For example, John has 100 pencils. A pencil case holds 10 pencils. How many pencil cases does he need to hold his pencils? It's completely up to you and we're very excited to see what you come up with. Don't worry, this is tricky, so just do your best.